In this video, I'll teach you even more ways to use the Marked field in Microsoft Project. A while ago, I was providing a help session for one of my corporate clients. In that help session, the project manager wanted to know how to display only certain tasks in the calendar view. Well, to do that, it requires a couple tricks, including how to use that marked field. In this video, I'll show you how to do that very thing. So let's get started. To display only certain tasks in the calendar view, you'll actually need to start in the Gantt chart view. In the Gantt chart view, right mouse click on the duration column header, and on the shortcut menu choose Insert Column. Then in the list of available task fields, select the Marked field. Once you have this field selected, then enter a yes value for every task you want to display in the calendar view. To save time in this video, I've pre-selected a number of tasks with a yes value in the marked field. Then you'll need to create a custom filter that will display only the tasks where a marked value is set to yes. Let me show you a nifty little trick on how to create this custom filter. In the marked column header, click the drop-down arrow button, which is actually called the Auto Filter Pick List button. On the menu, scroll down to the Filters row, and on the flyout menu, select the item called Custom. This will display the Custom Auto Filter dialog. In this dialog, leave the marked value set to equals, but in the next field to the right of it, select the yes value. Marked equals yes. Then you can actually save this auto filter setup by clicking the Save button. Microsoft Project will display the filter definition dialog. First, you want to enter a name, like Marked Tasks. You'll definitely want to select the checkbox called Show in Menu, so when you go to the Filter Pick List button, you'll see the new filter there already. And because we're working with the calendar view, you probably won't want to show the summary tasks. Deselect it if you don't want to see the summary tasks, but leave Show Related Summary Rows selected if you do want to see summary tasks. I don't, so I deselected it. Then click the Save button to save that filter, and then click the Cancel button to close that Custom Auto Filter dialog. Once you've done that, then you can right-click on the marked column header and select Hide Column on the shortcut menu. Now let's go to the View tab, and let's display the calendar view. In the Data section of the ribbon, click the Filter Pick List button, and here we go. We'll select Marked Tasks. And in our calendar view, here are the tasks that I specifically said I want to see in the calendar view, and I don't see any other tasks at all. Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Now you know even more ways to use that amazing marked field in Microsoft Project. In the intro to this video, I mentioned that I was having a help session with one of my corporate clients. If you would be interested in setting up a support contract for your organization so that I can provide one-on-one help for you with Microsoft Project, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away about that. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.